Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my video is how you can download WhatsApp on your iPhone. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, you can see there's this icon of App Store on my screen. I will click it. After I click it, it brings me to this interface where you can see there's this search bar on the screen. I will click on the search bar and I will write WhatsApp. After I write WhatsApp, you can see here I have many options. I will click WhatsApp Messenger because I have to download this. You can see I have already downloaded it, so it is showing an option of update because there might be a new update. But if you have not installed it yet, there will be an option of install or download. You have to click it and it will automatically start downloading or installing, and then you can enjoy your WhatsApp after that. I hope this was an easy process and you understood it. I hope this video helped you in any way and it was an easy process for you. And if you skipped any part, you can go back and see it with the playback option. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.